Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fake live snaps in Snapchat. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Snapchat, go to your gallery, and select the image from camera roll. Example, this one, and tap this one. Click my story, and tap this. Now the image added to story. Let's go back to my profile. Beside my story, click the three dots. Click Save Story. Tap Yes. And tap Done. Delete your story immediately before anyone seen this. Now, let's go to Snaps. Your recently snap will be added here. Just tap it and long press and tap Edit Snap. You can now fake the time of the photo. For example, this one. I will add this. Then this will look like a new photo. And that's how you fake your live snaps on Snapchat. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!